How to log into Walmart MoneyCard online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Walmart MoneyCard login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to very first one website option, walmartmoneycard.com. Open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. Provide the credentials of your account. Go ahead and type in the online user ID. Type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for this option of remember user ID. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on login. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, click on this option and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily log into Walmart MoneyCard account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.